Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Bagunara. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bagunara. Everyone, Manchi at home. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so many good mornings are coming in app. Only one good morning came in YouTube. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm also Manchi, directly proportional. Yeah. If students are Manchi, teacher is also Manchi, directly proportional. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Chilling or studying? What's going on? Chilling or studying? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? एक बार बता दो क्या हो रहा है घर पे? CWS, अच्छा, chilling with studying. Wow, Chintu, nice short form. He's saying CWS, chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, sir, we are not normal people. Sir, normal people may chill with movies. Normal people may chill with games. Normal people may chill with outing. We are ultra pro legends, so we are also chilling, sir, but we are chilling with studying because next year we have to give NEET exam. Next year we have to become doctor, so that's why we are also chilling, sir, but we are not chilling by normal way. We are chilling with studying. Yeah, that is the best way to chill. That is the best way to chill. That is chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, so shall we start with the class? Shall we start with the class? Acha, Syam Pola is sending chili sign. Chili symbol he is sending. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Okay, no problem. Very good. And I think in last class we completed oblique projectile. In last class, ground to ground projection completed. Today we have to start. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So in last class, oblique projectile completed. Today we have to start with horizontal projection. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So I told you formula, two form of equation of trajectory, y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Okay. Achha, I said I will give you one question from there. So come on, do one question, chalo. Okay, no problem. Achha, question is left from, achha, equation of trajectory, any question done? I think y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. From here question was not done. From here question was, yeah, building problem. I was saying you, I said you the concept, but I said I will, now I remembered. So you can do one question. Come on, you can do one question. No problem, nothing to worry. Yeah. So the concept which I told you, based on the same concept, I am going to give you one question. Then we'll start with our horizontal projectile. This is the last question of our oblique projectile. You can write. You write. A boy is standing in the front of a tower. A boy is standing in front of a tower of height 8 meter. A boy is standing in front of a tower of height 8 meter. And at a distance of 4 meter from the tower. A boy is standing in front of a tower of height 8 meter and at a distance of 4 meter from the tower. When he throws a ball, it just passes top of the tower. When he throws a ball, it just passes top of the tower and land on other side at a distance of 12 meter from the tower and land on other side at a distance of 12 meter from the tower. Find his angle of projection. Find his angle of projection. This is the only question which exists here. Find his angle of projection. Jamir, range is 16 meter. Yeah, okay, no problem. But we want angle of projection. You can tell me value of tan theta. Find angle of projection. जल्दी कर लो. Find angle of projection. You can use y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Srinivas Reddy, very good. You got correct answer. Very good, Srinivas. In the YouTube, one answer came. In the app, no answer came. Second answer also came. Visheshya, very good. Angle came, very good. No problem. You can simply tell me value of tan theta. No need to write tan inverse. I will understand. Sanjana Reddy also got the answer. Very good. LTGYDG tan inverse 2 is wrong answer. You are doing calculation mistake. Dosha Kai also correct. Pramoda correct. Now Pramoda, your answer is correct. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Jamir, your answer is also correct. Very good. Yeah. Jamir, you are giving reply in YouTube also and in the app also. Wow, Jamir. Harita, very good. Pavitra, very good. Sumaja, very good. Yeah, very good. Here also Stylist Star is also saying tan inverse 8 by 3. Farida, very good. Tan theta will come 8 by 3. Very good, very good. Yeah. Manish Chala also very good. Amrut Anand, very good. Manogna, very good. No problem. Naved, very good. So I think everyone will get the answer. Everyone will get the answer. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So once I will just solve it. Most of you have got. Vijay also got the answer. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Everyone got the answer. Those who are not getting answer, just see for 1 minute. Just see for 1 minute. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Whenever complicated question comes, you see this question is not straightforward question. Some question are straightforward. U is given, theta is given. Asking H max, directly use the formula, you'll get the answer. But whenever question seems to be little complicated, try to draw one small diagram. Diagram will always give you more clarity. So always remember, whenever question is a lengthy question, you look at this question is of 3-4 lines. So here better to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, collect the data, then your data will tell which formula you have to use. Yeah, MK very good. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, Vagdevi very good. Yeah. B2 very good. I will simply say, sir, what is happening? What is happening? One tower is there, sir. One tower is there, sir. Height of the tower you have given us. Height of the tower is given as 8 meter. And tower is at a distance of 4 meter from the boy. And boy is throwing the ball. Ball is just crossing the top of the tower and landing on other side. Other side distance is also given. That is given as 12 meter. No problem. This is the diagram. This is. So always remember, whenever question has more language, convert the question in the form of diagram. Once you convert in the form of diagram, it will become easy for you. Now, once you see this, you'll realize, sir, range is given. This is 4, this is 12. That means range will be coming as 16 meter. This is our range, sir. This is our range. No problem, no problem. And they are saying ball is just crossing top of the tower. Ball is just crossing top of the tower. That means I know the coordinate of top of the tower. I know the coordinate of the point from where ball is passing. That point x coordinate will be 4, y coordinate will be 8. You can see x coordinate 4, y coordinate will be 8. Now once you have got this, now you'll simply say, sir, I know range, so I can write equation of trajectory y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. No problem. Y means height. You already know y means height, or you can say y means y coordinate. And what is y coordinate of this point? 8. X coordinate is how much? 4. into tan theta, only tan theta is not known, into 1 minus x by r. What is x? X is x coordinate. So what is x coordinate of this point through which our projectile is passing? That is 4. 4 by r. What is r? R is 60. From here when you are solving, you are getting tan theta as 8 by 3. That means theta is coming tan inverse 8 by 3. Is it okay? Is it okay? Ho jayega this type of question? Everyone will be able. This is tough question. This is tough question, but if you know equation of trajectory, you can do in easier manner. This is the easy way to solve. Is it okay? Ho jayega? So y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. This is the second form of equation of trajectory which we can use. Done, done, done. Yeah, very good. Almost everyone got the answer also. No problem, no problem, no problem. Now we will move further and we will start with our part horizontal projectile. Bahut badhiya, very good. You can write horizontal projectile. Horizontal projectile from height. Horizontal projectile from height. Horizontal projectile from height. शुरू करें. Shall we start with horizontal projectile? एक बार बोल दो. Horizontal projectile from height. Shall we start? Yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. ध्यान देना, be focused, be focused, be focused. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. For example, assume you have one ball in your hand. You have one ball in your hand. You went to the top of the tower. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Jamir, yeah. Okay, now dhyan do. Yeah. You have a ball in your hand and you went to the top of the tower. Now from tower you are going to throw the ball. From tower you are going to project the ball. So always remember, from tower you can project the ball in different ways now. You can throw the ball obliquely like this. Understand? What is the meaning of horizontal projection? Why name of this projectile is horizontal projectile? Horizontal projectile means you throw the ball in horizontal direction. You throw the ball in, you can throw oblique also. Oblique we already studied. Now we are going to talk about horizontal projection from certain height. You have the ball and you are going to throw the ball horizontally. Horizontally means all the initial velocity will be in horizontal direction. Always remember horizontal, you know na, velocity can have two component, vertical component, horizontal component. Why name is horizontal projectile? Because its entire initial velocity will be only in horizontal direction. That's why we call it as horizontal projectile. You can write this point. You write here all the initial velocity, here all the initial velocity, here all the initial velocity will be only in, here all the initial velocity will be only in horizontal direction. Here all the initial velocity will be only in horizontal direction. Initial vertical velocity will be 0. Initial vertical velocity will be 0. Here all the initial velocity will be only in horizontal direction. Initial velocity in vertical direction will be 0. So this is the meaning of horizontal projection. Oblique means you will have horizontal also, you will have vertical also, but this is horizontal projection. Horizontal projection means mottam initial velocity will be only in one direction. That one direction is your horizontal direction. So this is how things will appear. Now just see here, okay, no problem. That is the only conceptual part. Remaining things we can calculate very easily. So just see here how we'll be talking. Just see, yeah, okay, no problem, yeah. Sir, you are talking about horizontal projection from certain height. So for example, assume this is one tower of height. This tower is given, this tower has height, for example, assume h. Height of the tower is given as h, no problem, yeah. You have a ball in your hand. You have a ball in your hand and you are going to throw the ball horizontally. That is the meaning of horizontal projectile. Horizontal projectile means mottam initial velocity will give in horizontal direction. All the initial velocity will be in horizontal direction. So you will throw the ball in horizontal direction with some speed u. Now what will happen? Ball will go slowly and it will land on ground. Ball will go and ball will land on ground. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Of course, ball will take some time from here to here. That is known as time of flight. And this distance from the foot of the tower to the place where ball is landing, this distance is known as range of projectile. And always remember, can you tell me, since you are throwing the ball horizontally now, what will be ux and what will be ui? Tell me what will be ux and what will be ui? ux will be how much? Jaldi batao, utna time nahi hai. Ux equal to how much? Ux will be u. Very good, Farida. That is the meaning of horizontal. Entire velocity you can see, it is in horizontal direction. Ux will be u. Ui will be 0. In vertical direction, no initial velocity. Don't use cos theta. Theta will be 0 here, Kusma. Theta will be 0 because you are throwing in horizontal direction. Yeah. So in horizontal direction, entire initial velocity ux will be u, ui will be 0. Achha, what will be ax? You know ax will be always 0. On projectile, no force acts in horizontal direction. So ax will be 0. And what will be your ay? What will be your ay? Bata do, what will be ay? Yeah, now no need to write minus g because now ball will come down. From here only ball is cut. Previously in oblique projection ball was going up. That's why we wrote ay as minus g. Now ball will directly come down. So ay will be writing as plus g. So ax will be always 0. Ay here, since the ball is coming down, you know whenever the ball will come down, gravity down, ball coming down, ay will be plus g. Sir, ux will be u, ui will be 0. Is it done? Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. That's why we'll take ay as g here, plus g. Is it okay? Now dhyan dena. Okay sir, we understood all these points. Sir, horizontal projection means entire initial velocity will be in horizontal direction, initial velocity in vertical direction will be 0. Sir, we already know ax will be 0. Sir, here ay we will take as plus g because ball is coming down. But sir, tell us how to find time of flight and tell us how to find range. So see here how to calculate time of flight. Finally formula will come. You have to remember formula, but you must know how that formula is coming. That will develop understanding. Otherwise sometimes in the examination pressure we forget the formula. There these basic concepts will help you. So that's why just see for 1 minute I will derive time of flight and range. Now just see here. Yeah. Amrut is saying answer very good. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Someone asked me, sir, tell me how to calculate time. Achha, tell me, when ball will fall from top to the ground, how much displacement it will make in vertical direction? Can you tell me when ball will reach the ground, what is its vertical displacement? What is its vertical displacement? When the ball will reach the ground, what is its vertical displacement? Jaldi batao, when ball will reach the ground, what is its vertical displacement? Equal to h. Vertical means vertical. When the ball will go from here, ball is traveling horizontal direction also. Ball is traveling in vertical direction also. And I told you previously, you will apply equation of motion separately for horizontal and separately for vertical. I will say, sir, when the ball will reach from here to here, how much vertical displacement it will make? Sir, vertical displacement means, sir, height. How much height it will fall? H. So I'll say when ball will reach the ground, displacement along y-axis will be h. And you know displacement along y you can write as ui into t plus half ay into t square. Second equation of motion I am using for y-axis and we are not using for the first time. Previously also we have done. Now from here, you know ui will be 0. So this will become, h will become half. This will become 0, half. Ay you know. g into t square. That means from here you can find time of horizontal projection, that is under root of, you can send this 2 here, g here, so under root of 2h by g. This is the time of flight of horizontal projectile, which is same as time of free fall. If you remember, same time came for dropping of the ball, same time came for free fall also. Because if you remember, in free fall also initial vertical velocity was 0 now. And here also initial vertical velocity is 0 now. In free fall also initial vertical velocity was dropping of the ball also. What was initial vertical velocity? That was also 0. That's why free fall and horizontal projection both will have same time of flight. Bolo, are you getting this point? समझे क्या? बोल दो एक बार. हाँ, because initial velocity in vertical direction, vertical only. Vertical height is depending on vertical na baba. So vertical velocity for free fall also, for dropping of ball also, initial vertical velocity is 0. For horizontal projection also, initial vertical velocity is 0. That means both will take same time of flight. So time of flight of horizontal projectile is same as time of flight of free fall or dropping of ball. No problem. That is also previous year NEET question. They said once, one ball is dropped and one ball is thrown horizontally. Who will reach the ground first? Come on, tell me. One ball is dropped and other ball is thrown horizontally. Who will reach the ground first? One ball you are dropping and one ball you are throwing horizontally. Who will reach? Both at the same time. Simultaneously, they will hit the ground. Both will reach at the same time. No problem. Very good, very good, very good, very good. No problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Sir, we got time of flight under root of 2h by g. Time of flight, yeah, both will reach at the same time. बहुत बढ़िया. Sir, we got time of flight. But someone asked me, sir, also tell me range na. Range is also important na. Tell me range. So always remember, if anyone asks you range, you tell me range is displacement along which axis? Range is displacement along which axis? They are asking you this range. Range is displacement along which axis? बता दो जल्दी. Range is displacement along x-axis. Range is displacement along x-axis, and displacement along x-axis you can again write using second equation. So ux into t plus half ax into t square. But now you know x is 0. But now you are knowing x is 0. That means from here I can say, so range will come. This will be 0. That is ux into t. Now ux you know, ux will be same as u. So u into t. That means if I put the value of time, I will get the range u into t. T we know, sir, under root of 2h by g. So this is a formula to calculate range. You can write this, come on. Kusma, theta is sunna. Horizontal na, angle is with horizontal. You are throwing the ball in horizontal direction. So with horizontal angle is 0. So u cos 0 into t. That is u into t. Done. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all these results. We'll do some questions, then we'll move further. Once you can see these results, remember the formula. Come on, tell me, what is time of flight of horizontal projectile? What is the formula for time of flight in horizontal projectile? Under root of 2h by g. If you cannot type, you have to speak. Under root of 2h by g, then only it will settle in your brain. Time of flight for horizontal projectile will come, sir, under root of 2h by g, under root of 2h by g, under root of 2h by g, under root of 2h by g. Sir, formula for range will come, u into t, that is u into under root of 2h by g, that is u into under root of range, बताओ range, u into under root of 2h by g. Time of flight under root of 2h by g, range will come u into under root of 2h by g. So range is what, sir? Range is u into t. So u we know, time we know, so u into under root of 2h by g, u into under root of 2h by g. That is the range, and time of flight will come under root of 2. Achha, when time will be more, horizontal projectile or dropping of ball? Free fall or horizontal projectile, कब ज़्यादा time लगेगा? Same time. Horizontal projectile and free fall both will have same time. Why both will have same time? Maths is saying same time. Concept is saying how conceptually you can say both will have same time. Conceptually without using any equation. How you can say? Because both has initial vertical velocity 0, dropping also initial vertical velocity 0, horizontal projectile also initial vertical velocity is 0. So that's why they will have same time. That's why they will have same time. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. I will give you some question. Come on. We'll do 1-2 questions. You write. We'll start with one easy question. You write. A ball is thrown horizontally. A ball is thrown horizontally. A ball is thrown horizontally with a speed of 10 meter per second. A ball is thrown horizontally with a speed of 10 meter per second. And from a tower of height, a ball is thrown horizontally with a speed of 10 meter per second. From a tower of height, 19.6 meter. From a tower of height, 19.6 meter. Find time of flight. 19.6 meter given means G you will use 9.8. Find time of flight and second find range. Amrut has said the range, very good. Find time of flight and range. U is given 10 meter per second. Manish Chala, very good. Srinivas Reddy, very good. Both answers given. Kusma, very good. Sanjana Reddy, very good. Harita, very good. Jaldi Twarga. Naved, very good. Farida, very good. Range will not come 40, it will come 20, Baba. Amrut, very good. Revant, very good. B to time will come 2 seconds. How you are saying 4 seconds? Farida, very good. Chicken Pakoda. Wow, nice name. Very good. Very good. Blessy, very good. Yeah, I think everyone will get. Everyone. Pavitra, how are getting time 2.77 seconds. First thing, always remember, if nothing is given, G you have to use 9.8. So if you use G 9.8, it is coming straight forward. Already I have mentioned here. So time of flight will come directly formula under root of 2h by G. Formula lo petandi, answer vastundi. So 2h, h is given, sir. H is given as 19.6. By G, sir, given 9.8. From here, if you solve, this is 2 times. So root 4 means 2 seconds. And range you already know, u into under root of 2h by G. So u given 10 and under root of 2h by G is the time. Already you calculated, that is 2, that will become 20 meter. Done. Bolo ho jayega. Bolo twarga ho jayega. Time of flight under root of 2h by G, range will be equal to u into t, or you can say u into under root of 2h by G. Done. बोल दो एक बार. Okay, no problem. So direct formula based. We'll do some other questions also. Don't worry. Yeah. First I told you formula. That's why I gave you question based on formula. Now dhyan do. Be focused. Just here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. But always remember, here I gave you straightforward question. Na. Dhyan dena. Be focused. Develop understanding. Same formula I will use. Don't worry. But sometimes questions are not straightforward. Some questions they will design in complicated language or in different. They will ask you range only. They will ask you time of flight only. But question will be not straightforward. For example, see some special language question, some special questions which are asked from here. Yeah, we will do Nancy. Don't worry. Yeah, okay, no problem. Just see here. Okay, one question is very famous. They will say you like this. You know, whenever anywhere flood comes, people get stuck in the flood. There who provide food to the people? You tell me suddenly flood come, everyone went to the top of the house, now they are waiting there. Who provides? Not helicopter, Baba. Government provides the food. Government provides the food. Yeah. Chicken pakoda is saying yeah. Chicken pakoda first. Yeah. Okay. Government rescue team. Okay, no problem. But actually, control is of government. For example, here Jagananna is there. Your favorite Jagananna is there. Yeah. So Jagananna will provide food to the people. No problem. No problem. Dhyan dena. Dhyan dena. Be focused. Yeah. Ha. Jan Sena government. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I know PSPK. Yeah, okay. Dhyan do. Be focused, be focused. Yeah. So always remember, question will come like this. Question just for line. No new formula I will tell you. Same thing I will tell you. Just see here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. Now just see here. There what will happen? They will say from a low flying helicopter. They will say one helicopter is flying and food packets are dropped from helicopter. They will ask you at what distance man should stand in order to take the food packet in his hand. Because if the food packet will not fall in their hand, it will fall in water. So they have to just see, I will tell you the process. Just see here, yeah, easy question only. Always remember, they will say you like this. One helicopter is there. You see, I can draw very nice helicopter. I have practiced in the classes. Yeah. You see, very nice helicopter is there. Yeah. Okay. They will say you, this helicopter is flying horizontally with speed u. And definitely this helicopter will be flying at certain height. Low flying helicopter. Low flying helicopter, height of the helicopter they will give you as h. And they will say you, Harita, it's a very nice helicopter I have drawn. Don't say chi, so nice helicopter. You can show your copy how nice you are drawing. Now they have ek baar dekh lo, time is not there. Yeah, okay, no problem. So many types of questions we have to do. Okay. So helicopter is at height h. They will say low flying helicopter is flying horizontally with speed u at height h. Now you tell me, okay, no problem. एक बार देख लो, no problem. Yeah. You tell me, they will say, low flying helicopter food packet is dropped. They will say food packet is dropped from the helicopter. Achha, you tell me, if you drop the food packet from the horizontal, okay, no problem. People are now predicting it's looking like mushroom with wings. Now dekho yahan pe, theek hai. Okay, you can take 1 hour to draw the helicopter. Okay, take from YouTube, watch the tutorial how to draw helicopter, then you can draw. Yahan dekho. Okay, no problem. Okay, from next class I will write simply one box. In box I will write helicopter. That I am feeling good way. I will draw one box. In box I will write helicopter. Now no one will claim is it good or bad. Okay, no problem. Dekho ek baat. Achha, you tell me. You will drop, for example, pilot of the helicopter will drop the food packet. So is it like that food packet will fall vertically down? They will say food packet is dropped, but you tell me, does food packet will fall vertically down? Does food packet will fall vertically down? They are saying dropping na, we are dropping na, but food packet will not go vertically down. Always remember, if helicopter is having speed u, any food packet kept in the helicopter also has same speed u. Any food packet kept in the helicopter also, because if you remember, I told you in hot air balloon case, here food packet is in helicopter. Since helicopter is having speed u, that's why food packet will also have same speed u. So when you drop the food packet, it will follow parabolic path and it will land in the hands of the man. So question is asked at what safe distance man will stand. So that distance is nothing, that distance is the range, that is u into under root of 2h by g. This distance is asked, horizontal distance is asked, which you can find very easily. So first you can write this, come on. And always remember, according to this man on the ground, path of the food packet will be parabola. He will see that food packet is coming in parabolic path. But according to the pilot, can you tell me what is the path of the food packet according to the pilot? According to the pilot, what will be the path of the food packet? If the pilot will see the food packet, what path he will observe for the food packet? straight line, vertically downward straight line, straight line, straight line, and that straight line will be vertically downward straight line. Because you can see pilot horizontal velocity and food packet horizontal velocity both are equal. So he cannot see this equal velocity. Relative velocity little bit you are knowing. So pilot horizontal velocity and food packet horizontal velocity both are equal. So he will not see horizontal velocity. He will see only vertical motion of the food packet. That's why straight line vertically down. Is it okay? Bol do. Pavitra, don't say because of same velocity. Say because of same horizontal velocity. Same horizontal velocity. Is it okay? Bolo. No problem. Dhyan do, be focused, just here, yeah. You may have also done the same thing. Dhyan do. I know none of you stuck in the flood, you have not taken food packet like this, but sometimes what happens when train is moving with some velocity now? Just here, yeah, okay, no problem. Same thing you may have seen when the train is moving with constant velocity, and when you drop anything out of the window of the train, you see that and you feel that it is going vertically down, but actually it is not going vertically down. According to observer on the platform, it will be horizontal. Are you getting what I am trying to tell? Sometimes in the train, we use the water bottles, water hypo, we drop them. When you drop and when you see the bottle, you feel that it is going vertically down. But actually it is not going vertically down. With respect to ground, this is also a question which is asked. With respect to ground, it will follow parabolic path. Same thing is here. Is it okay? Bolo. Twarga. बोल दो. Okay, no problem. So yeah, okay, Wow, Chintu, thank you. Chintu is giving some emotional message. Okay, Chintu. Okay, no problem. Now, dhyan do. Acha, tell me, does from the helicopter always food packet is dropped? Or you have seen in the news, you have heard in the news, India is buying this helicopter from US. Does India buy only helicopter to give food to the people? What is the other purpose of helicopter? Is the only purpose of helicopter is to rescue the people? I बोल दो. Many times in the war zone, it is used to drop the bomb. So same concept we are talking in the terms of food packet. Same concept will work if anyone says you food packet or if anyone says you dropping of the bomb. Bombing also same thing we do. Is it okay? They can say from a low flying aircraft, bomb is getting dropped. Find the range of the bomb. Same concept. एक बार बोल दो yes or no. And if they ask you total distance, this is horizontal distance. Sometimes in tricky question they ask find the distance of the man from the helicopter. Means this distance of the man from the, this is the range, horizontal distance, which is 90% asked. But I've seen some question where they ask find the distance of the man from the helicopter. Then you have to use Python. Then you have to calculate this distance, and this distance will come using Pythagoras uncle under root of r square plus h square. This is the distance of man from helicopter. Distance from helicopter. Are you getting the point? If anyone asks you horizontal distance, then this one. If they ask you total distance, then this one. Very good, Pavitra. Very good, Srinivas. Done. Bol do. We'll move to the next situation. Okay, no problem. This is one type, just you'll put the value, you'll get the answer, no problem. Now see the second type of language which is used here. Then I will tell you one last concept and we'll complete horizontal projectile. Now dhyan do, just here, yeah. Some questions are asked like this. Just see. Sometimes they will say, you may have seen in movies now, hero, actor or stuntman, they jump from one building to another building. Does they see another building and they just jump? You tell me, for jumping from one building to another building, what actors do or what stuntman do? What stuntman do? Bolo bolo, what stuntman do? For jumping from one building to another building, what stuntman do? Bolo ek bar. They run on one building. Why they run? Why they run? Because they want some initial velocity. If U is not there now, range is not there. If range is not there, they will not land on the other building. So this is how things happen. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Question will come like this. You can find, I am not giving any question, I am just telling you the process. You can use all this process in different questions. Everywhere such questions you will find. In the gym also there, and in the any book you can find this type of question. I don't have that much of time. Okay, no problem. I'm just telling you different situations which are asked here. Yeah. They will say you like this. With how much velocity man should run on one building so that he will land on other building? If he run with more velocity, he will come on this side. If he run with less velocity, he will fall here. He has to land on second building, means he has to run with one particular velocity. So always remember, can you tell me what will be range of the projectile? Here range is known na baba. He is starting here, he is landing here. So what will be range? Batao. In the diagram, dekh batao what will be range? Range will be equal to how much? That is height, Sam. Range will be equal to D. Separation between the two buildings is the horizontal distance na baba. So here range, always remember separation between the two. I will simply say, sir, separation between the two buildings is the range. Range will be equal to D, and we know D will be equal to U into under root of 2H. Which height I should consider, H1 or H2? Now two heights are there, H1 and H2. Which height I should consider? Are U into under root of 2H by G? कौन सा height consider करूँ? H1 or H2? H1 minus H2. Very good, Amrut. Very good, Amrut. अरे not H1 भाई, पागल हो गए हो क्या? How much height this man will fall? अरे this मोत्तम H1 and this is H2. So for your horizontal projectile, what is the height? It's not H1. It's not H2. It's H1 minus H2. So H1 minus H2 is our height by G. So this is how you can relate all of them. Bolo, 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 bolo. Done. Everyone got the idea? They will give you question in the form of language. Read the question, identify H1, H2, then dump in the formula, you will get the answer. And nothing to remember here. Just same formula, U into under root of 2H by G. And just saying separation between the buildings will be our distance D. And height is the difference of height. That is the height which man will fall. Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. Chintu, what is A equal to G? Done. आगे बढ़े, एक बार बताओ. No problem. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. Once completed, you can say done, sir. Then one last thing we will study here. After class, you must practice from gym or from any book. Practice mandatory. Because I have told you only concept. Once you practice, then only you learn how to apply them. Done. Now ध्यान देना. You write. Yeah. ध्यान देना. Yeah. Okay. हाँ. Before question, Vijay, it's a very simple question. For this not required. You can, yeah. That is enough. No problem. That you can do. No problem. Just you have to put, Vijay, you have to just put the value, Baba. First question I gave you now. Like that only question will be there. Vijay is asking helicopter 1. Chal Vijay bana, question bana, chalo. Okay, no problem. Time is not there, you can find everywhere. Vijay, you can do the question. If you feel problem, you can message me on WhatsApp. Time is not there for doing chinna. Simple, Baba. They will ask you horizontal distance. R will be equal to U into under root of 2. You are not junior student now. time kudiga less time undi na. So that's why yeah, we have to do questions where you will feel problem. There we will do many questions. Now dhyan dena, just here, no problem. Now just see, yeah, okay. Till now we studied about range, till now we studied about time of flight. Now one last thing is asked here. Dhyan dena, be focused, yeah. You tell me, initially velocity is horizontal, initially velocity is u. Is it like that always velocity of the ball will be u? Is it like that always velocity of the ball will be horizontal? Tell me. Initially I am throwing horizontally, initial velocity horizontal, initial velocity u, but as the ball will come down now, gravity will show its effect, and due to that velocity will change, due to that angle will also change. Dhyan do what is asked, dhyan dena, be focused. For example, someone says, sir, here you have a ball na sir, you are throwing a ball na sir, ball will go land on ground. Right now velocity is horizontal, right now velocity is u, but as the ball will come down, velocity will not always remain horizontal, velocity will not always remain u. Due to gravity, angle of velocity will also change, and due to gravity, value of velocity will also change. For example, right now velocity is u na, after some time someone asks you, sir, what is velocity here? Now you can see, now your velocity has become like this. Initial velocity u, horizontal, but after some time velocity is not. This is how ball goes the baba. When you throw the ball horizontally, it goes like this. Angle of the velocity will keep on changing. So question is asked, sir, after time t, tell me final angle. After time t, tell me final velocity. For example, someone says, sir, tell me final velocity v after time t. I will simply say, sir, finally, right now velocity is u, but after some time, sir, velocity will have two components. You can see now velocity became oblique now. It will have two components. One will be your vx, one will be your vy. And if anyone asks me net velocity I can write, sir, under root of vx square plus vy square. If anyone asks me angle, sir, tan alpha, if anyone asks me tan alpha, this alpha, if anyone asks you, sir, initially velocity is horizontal, but after some time velocity has become oblique now, so how much angle velocity makes with horizontal? If anyone asks me tan alpha, bolo, how you write tan alpha, batao? Vy by vx. Very good, Sam, very good. Tan alpha, you know, tan theta, opposite by adjacent, that will become vy by vx. But sir, how to find vy? Means everything we can find. This is what I was saying you. Initial velocity is u, but final velocity is not u. Gravity is there, final velocity will increase, angle will change. Someone asked me, sir, what is the final velocity after time t? So under root of vx square plus vy square, because now both component will be there. So what is the angle? Tan alpha, sir, we know, tan theta opposite by adjacent, y by x, so vy by vx. But tell us how to find vy and vx. You can find vy and vx very easily. Just see here, yeah. After time t, you can find vy, because you know first equation. So vy will be equal to ui plus ay into t. Just now you studied ui will be 0, ay will be g. So final velocity after time t in y you can find. Vy will come g into t. Similarly, you can find vx. Vx will come, sir, ux plus ax into t. Now you already know ax is 0. So vx will come same as ux, and ux you know, ux will be equal to u. That means vx will be equal to u. That means sir, I can find these angles. Tan alpha will come, sir, vy by vx. Vy is how much? Gt. And what is vx? Vx is u. So this is the formula used to find angle of velocity with horizontal. This is the angle of velocity with horizontal. And here also you can put vy and vx to get net velocity after time t. Vx is u and vy is gt, so it will become under root of u square plus gt whole square. अरे यार बिंदा बाबा कुछ समझे? That is 9-3. You can see velocity has increased now. Very good, Pavitra, very good. tan alpha equal to gt by u, tan alpha equal to gt by u, tan alpha equal to gt by u, tan alpha equal to gt by u. Final velocity after time t under root of u square plus gt whole square, under root of u square plus gt whole square. Come on, everyone will say with me. tan alpha बताओ, tan alpha equal to, जल्दी बताओ, tan alpha equal to, tan alpha equal to, जल्दी बताओ, tan alpha equal to, tan alpha equal to, जल्दी बताओ, tan alpha equal to, जल्दी, tan alpha equal to, no one is giving answer, त्वरगा answer कावाली, gt by u, gt, sir, vy by vx, vy by vx, vy will be gt, sir, vx will be u, so tan alpha equal to gt by u, gt by u, final velocity after time t, final velocity after time t, under root of u square plus gt whole square, under root of vx square plus vy square, vx we know sir u, vy we know gt, so under root of u square plus gt whole square, बोलो बोलो, done done done, एक बार बोल दो, done. Everyone got? We will do numerical from here in the next class, but if you want you can try all the questions of gym, you will be able to do, don't worry, because direct formula based questions are asked from here, so you'll be, if you want you can try any book and try to solve. I have not done any numerical, but we will do in the next class numerical from here, but if you wish you can do numerical by yourself, no problem. Even if I don't, this formulas you know, concept you know, you'll be able to do all the question because time is not there. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending our class here only. Okay, okay, tata, bye bye, take care and have responsibility in your mind. Next year मुझे नीट देना है, नीट देके नीट को क्रैक करना है, with the best marks I have to get next year, so work hard, have that thing always in your mind. More situations from here we'll be talking next class. For today we'll be ending here only. Tata, bye 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 bye. Syllabus will be sent in the group. Tata, bye bye, take care, bye.